Hey everyone, just wanted to share this fun little side project that I've been working on. So anyone who's worked with GenAI, they know that one of the most critical things is to evaluate the right prompt. And so far, what I'd been doing was I would just copy paste everything into ChatGPT, the prompt and the input, and then whatever's the output, I would copy paste back it to some Excel sheet, and then keep on repeating it for different test cases and then compare. So I thought if my test cases is already in a Google sheet or an Excel, why do I need to go to ChatGPT and then bring the output back in? Why can't I just simply do everything in Google Sheet itself? So just decided to create this tool. So let me show you how this works. So basically, in this you can enter multiple test cases and multiple prompts, and with one formula you can actually compare the responses. So for this demo purpose, let's say we're building a customer support agent, and we want to come up with the right prompt instruction to give to that agent. And then we have multiple test cases. So for now I've just taken some customer support queries that a food delivery company might get. Some of these are like, customers are angry, some customer had a good experience. So let's just copy paste these test cases here, and then prompts. So I have pre-written some prompts. Basically, in the first prompt, we just don't give it any instruction apart from the fact that it's supposed to answer customer queries. In the second one, we are assigning a personality to our agent. You're a bubbly chat assistant. In the third one, we're just telling it you're an experienced support executive. In the 4 one, we are telling it it's an experienced executive, but also it's known for calming the customers with their first response. Just let's see what comes up with. And in the last one, so if Starbucks has this latte technique of handling angry customers, so we're just telling the agent that you've been trained in that. So use your training to come up with the answers. So let's enter all of these prompts here. Okay, so now you have multiple prompts, you have multiple test cases. How do we test? So it's pretty simple. All you do is this test prompt, and this is your prompt that you need to send out, and this is the input that you need to send out. And let's just add this here so we can drag the formula. So it's fetching. Okay, here it has fetch the output from an LLM. Now just copy paste it for all the prompts and all the test cases. uh, there you go. So now you can very easily figure out which of your prompts has the best response for each kind of test case. And you can because it's a Google Sheet, you can add like as many test cases as you want. And the best part is now that this is set up, if you want to make a slight edit to a prompt, you want to see, okay, what if I make one small edit and see how the response changes? You just need to, like, for example, here I had said, please keep your responses less than 3 lines in total. Now let's say keep your response to 1 line in total. Now you see it's automatically going to compute all the test cases. So that's one use case that I built it for. The second one is so a lot of times, you have same prompt, you have different inputs, and you want to fetch output for each of those inputs. Like for example, let's say you want to evaluate or you want to like tag multiple tweets, for example. So I have written some sample tweets here. So you enter them here. Now you want to like ask LLM to give you 2 tags for each of these tweets, right? So you enter one prompt here. Uh, you are an experienced Twitter analyst. You will go through these tweets and return 2 categories these tweets fit in your response. Only provide categories and strictly stick to 2 categories. Okay, so now this is the prompt. We have same prompt for everything, all the tweets. So now let's just prompt this and this. Let's see. All right, here you go. Just copy paste this. There you go. And as again, it's a Google Sheet, so you can do this for like thousands of tweets in one go. That's about it. Happy to hear what you have to say about this, and if there's anything else you would want me to add to this tool. So as a next step, one thing that I'm planning to add is, so right now all of this the LLM that is being used in the background is GPT-4o Mini. I'm also adding another functionality where you can not only compare prompts, different prompts, but you can also compare how different LLMs would respond to that same prompt, and what their cost would be. So that's the next thing planned in the roadmap.